Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a room tour of the Hilton Tokyo Bay inside the Tokyo Disney Resort. This is the Hilton's Family Magic Room and it has an ocean view. This is what you see right as you walk in. As you can see, it's geared towards children. It had this really cute woodland theme all throughout these floors that had the family suites. This is a little coffee area, a little mini refrigerator. They had an ice bucket, electric kettle, and water pitcher, so you could refill your water as often as needed. This is the only closet in the room, and they did provide some sleep clothes for the parents and the children, which was really cute and thoughtful. They have bath slippers in that bottom drawer, and then they had these additional like leather slippers that I guess you wear in the room. There's also an ironing board and iron there. This is the bathroom, which was like a standard American bathroom, and they give you lotion and hand soap there, and then they had provided toothbrushes and bath sponges for the kids and little vanity kits. They provided actually a lot in this hotel, so that was really nice. This is the bathroom shower, typical American style, which if that's what you're comfortable with, then you'll definitely get it here. But that is a Japanese toilet, so that was nice touch. I love that they have a step stool, so you can see that it's really geared towards kids and families. And because this was a family magic room, I think it sleeps up to 8 people if you have small children, but it was perfect for our family of 5. This is like a little magical thing for the kids to unlock the fairy. And those are little reading lights. And this was a magic mirror that it had a character pop into it, which was really exciting for the kids. They left us some little cookies and a note for the kids telling them about what to look for in the room. So that was really fun and exciting for them. They had a small TV, but everything was in Japanese, so we didn't really watch much TV, which was a nice change, actually. This is the bunk bed that my kids had, and that's it for the room. As you can tell, it's really small, but it had this gorgeous view. You can see Mount Fuji off in the distance, which was a nice surprise, and it was a fun hotel. This was the first place we stayed on our trip, so I didn't film that much of it, but if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe for more Tokyo Disney